I went to school. They went to the market. We went to the shop. He went inside. She went home. I went to the park. We went abroad. I bought books. You don't talk. Why not? Support him. Speak the truth. Is there anybody in front of me? We are helpless. Face to face. Clean this. How much? Since when? Just listen. Too much. Too many. Nothing else. Here only. So much. Speak up. Only him. Keep silent. Let's try again. Let's try together. Let's try to speak English. Let's try to learn daily. Let's try to speak short sentences. It's all about you. It's all about me. It's all about fun. It's all about learning. It's all about family. It's all about kindness. I am practicing English. I am working hard to reach my goal. I am not giving up. I am practicing because I want to speak fluently. I am speaking English every day. I am talking to my friends in English. I am studying English. I am listening to music. I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my clothes. I am making tea. I am waiting for the bus. I am reading a book. I am walking to the market. I am talking to my friend. I am cleaning my room. I am opening the door. I am closing the window. I am helping my mother. I am feeding the cow. I am washing my hands. I am wearing a dress. I am cutting vegetables. I am painting a picture. Unfortunately, the shop was closed. Unfortunately, he got sick before the event. Unfortunately, I couldn't find my phone. Unfortunately, they arrived late. Unfortunately, all the tickets were sold out. I will do it at any cost. She will help you at any cost. We must win at any cost. He will reach on time at any cost. Protect your family at any cost. For what? What about? What next? Where to go? Who am I? Who next? Who now? Why him? Why me? Why now? Why not? Why so? So what? Then what? Trust me. Don't worry. I am here. I will help you. Everything is okay. Believe me. Believe yourself. Never give up. Don't be hesitant. Go ahead. Focus on your goals. Always. Usually. Frequently. Often. Sometimes. Occasionally. Seldom. Rarely. Never. Maybe. Are they friends? Say something. Where did you come from? How do you know me? None of us. Come forward. Sit there. Don't worry. Deliver. Borrow. Invite. Remove. Decide. Improve. Repair. Cut. Avoid.